insanely long video for me to narrate. Looks like she gonna saturate her face. And she got elf. Looks like elf's blood. I'm not sure. Okay, shiny stuff. Something that's illegible, but okay. And it's not shiny at all. Apparently she's brushing with it. Okay. Oh, we're lining stuff up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's getting thick. Oh no. She making gorilla eyebrows over here, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Brown. Way too light a shade of brown, but okay. Interesting. I don't know if I know where she's going with this, but okay. We gonna roll with it. Dab it on. Oh, we ain't dabbing no more. Okay. Line it up. Get your Rock Lee on. And bushy brows all the way. What she got? Okay, rainbow. Salmon rainbow? I don't know. Okay, she's gonna continue with her eyelids. Dab, dab, dab. Keep dabbing. Get your brown brush stroke on. Cat eyes. What's she about to do? Put on contacts? Oh no, wait, hold on. Oh no, she getting glittery with it. Okay. Make the glitter happen, baby. And then more tones that are too light. Okay. I mean, I know she light-skinned it, but she's taking it a little too far over here. Where is she? Okay. Ooh, there's me. Getting my sugar. Oh, baby. Apparently her eyelids need more work than her eyebrows. Okay, African lady on the box. Oh, she needs to wear some designs like the lady on the box. Okay, brush stroke. Dab, dab, dab. We almost there, y'all, I think. Oh, no, I was very wrong. Okay, more contacts. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's more glitter. Okay. Alright, baby, let's see where you're going with it. No, I mean, goodness, how many times you gonna pull out the same box? Them eyelids are becoming some. Now, what is this? How many times you gonna overlap the same eyelids? Just. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Oh, more elf blood. Oh no, that's thick. That's bone marrow. I'm sorry. Ooh, girl. Drawn on. Apparently some elf wings. I don't know. I didn't know elves had wings. Well, they got pointy ears. I guess that's where the point's coming from. Okay, I got you now. I'm running out of dialogue here. I mean, this is forever long. Oh, she dancing for it. Okay. Now we got more 2 light skin tones. Okay. Oh, and that's why we don't wear makeup. Right. See? Tearing stuff up. Crying about it too. Girl, it's your fault. I'm sorry. Okay. Show the people what happened. Yeah. She done tore up her shirt. Rub it in. Rub it in. Don't drop no more. You know that stuff expensive. I can't afford all of it. Okay. Let's see what we got. Goodness. I'm about to color her shirt. She over here. That might be. Ooh. I don't know if that's brown or orange. Okay. She got. Dang, that really is the color of her shirt. What is she doing? What was that? Hairspray? No? It said air or something. Put it on to brush it off. I got it. Okay. Let's see where is she going with this. More brush strokes. Oh, she working on that nose. She's trying to thin it out. Okay. Get artsy with it, baby. What's that? This is where we this is what we like to call doing it too much. Okay. Going too far. Let's bounce her face again. Hold on. Okay. Now she's doing more. I guess it's not her idea. No. Okay, there she goes. She's doing a little something different. Again with that glitter. Goodness, girl. I'm sorry, she killing it. She killing it. She making things happen out here. Paying bills. Dancing on poles. Okay. Alright, yeah. Putting fake eyelids on. Or did I say lids? I meant lashes. She almost there. She messing with lips. Oh no, not the lip gloss. Oh wait, no, I think she got it. Oh, she done. Look at her. Okay. Work it. Make your faces come. Yeah, smile for your man. Come on. Ooh. Get it poppin', baby. Alright. I think she's done. If y'all like it, like and subscribe.